Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today we're going to create a powerful oxidizer called Manganese Heptoxide, or Manganese 7. Check this out. All I'm using in this reaction is 18 molar sulfuric acid, potassium permanganate, spoon, dropper, and I am using a clay crucible for this because it does produce a fair amount of heat. The first step is add 1 to 2 grams of potassium permanganate to your crucible. The second step is to carefully cover your potassium permanganate with a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. In this demonstration, I'm just going to slowly drop this cotton ball on the manganese heptoxide. Watch what happens. An immediate reaction. Very hot. Very exothermic. Next, we want to neutralize our manganese heptoxide by adding a little bit of water and then some ammonium hydroxide. Okay, and now we're going to add a little bit of ammonium hydroxide. And now our manganese heptoxide is safely neutralized. Okay, so what's going on in this amazing reaction is we're adding potassium permanganate with sulfuric acid. These are our reactants, and that creates manganese heptoxide, water, and a byproduct, potassium hydrogen sulfate, or just potassium bisulfate. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.